Gofuture is found in 2011, which located in Baoan, Shenzhen. Gofuture company combined development, production and sale of camera product and other consumer electronics. With strong R&D technology, innovation spirit and excellent management, we could offer customers continuous products and marketing solution, outstanding quality and service. More and more sales in local and foreign market made a solid foundation for the creation of the Chinese brand ROHS, Go-style and international brand GFPRO. We have been committing to development of wireless transmission technology, image processing technology, and intelligent control technology for many years. Products we manufactured are broadly used in smart car accessories, IoV, sports digital tech and smart home, with several years growth of high quality and high innovation oriented brand. ROHS and Go-style gain more and more market share in China mainland and foreign countries. Our are working hard to keep our target, offering reliable and stable services. In the past 10 years, we have attended to different exhibitions such as Canton Fair, Global Source Fair, SAY exhibition every year. Our factory has BSCI, ISO 9001 and SGS inspection approval. And goods are with CE, FCC, ROHS certificates. Company's vision is to be an industry leading and customer reliable enterprise. We will follow professional, technical, standardized idea and try to become Chinese national brand. Our goal is let everyone enjoy high quality electronic life. Start from Gofuture, make a difference.